This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Accord windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to prevent accidental activation. It's also a good idea to place a towel or a piece of cardboard on your windshield to protect it from any accidental drops or scratches during the process. This simple preparation makes the entire replacement much smoother and safer for your vehicle. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Locate the small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to disengage the locking mechanism. Once released, you can slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook on the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield, ensuring it rests properly. You're almost done. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Honda Accord. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them using your windshield washer fluid. Observe how they clear the glass, ensuring there are no streaks or missed spots. This quick check confirms proper installation and ensures clear visibility for safe driving. Enjoy your new, streak-free view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.